Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got a super practical tutorial for you. We're going to go through some fast and easy ways to speed up your Wix website. If you've ever wondered why your site feels a bit sluggish or you just want to make sure visitors aren't bouncing because things take too long to load, stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll have a snappier, more efficient website. And that can make a world of difference for both user experience and search rankings. Let's dive right in. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your Wix web design dashboard. So, log into Wix and pull up the editor for the site you want to optimize. This is the control center for your whole site, so get comfortable here. Almost every useful tweak starts in the dashboard. Now, at the very top of the page, you'll see a settings menu. Go ahead and click Settings. Easy enough, right? But this menu is packed with features, so take a moment and really make sure you're clicking the correct tab. Once you're in the settings, look for something called Image Sharpening. This is a little-known adjustment, but it actually makes a big impact. Image sharpening sounds great in theory. It boosts the sharpness of photos on your site, but it can put extra strain on processing and sometimes create unnecessary lag, especially for mobile users. Click into Image Sharpening and then select None. That's right, turn it off. Then hit Apply to make sure your changes are saved. Don't worry if your images look a tiny bit softer. Most of the time, your visitors won't notice, but they will definitely notice if your site loads faster. Think of it like decluttering a room. The essentials are still there, minus the extra stuff slowing things down. Now, let's talk about another sneaky culprit, page transitions. On the left side of the Wix editor, click on Site Design. This side panel has a bunch of style options for your site, but we're focusing on performance right now. Scroll down and find the Page Transitions settings. By default, Wix likes to add fancy fade-ins or slide effects between pages, but these can sometimes add delay and just aren't necessary if you want raw speed. Click Page Transitions, select None, and confirm the change. This step is like switching from a winding scenic route to the express lane. Visitors just get straight to the content, without distractions or waiting. One of the biggest contributors to slow websites is heavy images. Even if you've got great visuals, they can seriously bog down your load times if they're not optimized. Whenever you want to add an image to your design, take a moment to use an online image compressor first. Websites like TinyPNG or JPEG Optimizer let you quickly upload your image and shrink the file size without losing much quality. Just run your image through one of these tools, download the optimized version, and then upload that to Wix instead of the original. It can feel like a small extra step, but trust me, it makes a massive difference. Your pages will load faster, and users won't get stuck waiting. Don't worry if this takes a few minutes. Once you get in the habit, it'll be second nature. And that's pretty much it. Simple tweaks, but super effective. Remember, a speedy site keeps visitors happy and coming back. Plus, it can help with your rankings on Google and other search engines. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. It really helps support the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own tips for speeding up websites. And don't forget to subscribe if you love practical, easy tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next video.